What's up guys, my name's Astro and today we're going to show you guys how to add this screen time widget on your iPhone. Let me go remove it real quick and just show you how to do it step by step. So what you want to do is swipe left on your iPhone until you go to this page where you can see the edit button. Click on edit and you should see a plus sign on the top left of your iPhone. But if that didn't work for you, you guys can click and hold on any app and press the edit home screen button. And the plus sign should show for you as well. What you guys want to do next is press the plus button and type in screen time on your widget search. After that, all you gotta do is click it and it will show you 3 variations of widgets you guys can put on your thing. I would personally prefer number 3 because it shows how much time you put on each app and it just motivates you to get away from your phone so you can do something productive. If it's still not working for you guys, it's probably because you haven't set up your screen time yet. Head over to settings and scroll all the way down until you see screen time. Once you guys are in this page, click on apps and website activity, and once you enable that, then your thing should be set. By the way, the tracking only shows after you enabled it, so it's only going to start recording since you enabled it. It's not going to show your past screen time. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.